and also the different kinds of breeds. Let's start with factors in selecting mates. Stock or bulls. Bulls are responsible for the majority of genetic progress, making their selection critical. Reproductive soundness, a breeding soundness of sound. This is essential, focusing on minimum scrotal circumference 30 cm or more per year mean to protect early puberty in daughters. The expected progeny in bulls are, we have the differences used to select for traits such as calving, ease, birth weight, breeding weight, nursing weight, and carcass quality. The structural soundness, strong, straight legs, and good feet are necessary for mobility, allowing the bull to travel, mount, and breed effectively in pasture systems. We have the masculinity and conformation. Bulls should display masculine characteristics, heavy muscling, and moderate brain size. We have the temperament, calm, docile bulls are safer and easier to handle, reducing stress in the herd.
Factors in selecting female stock, cow, and sheep. Replacement female must be chosen based on their ability to conceive calves easily and raise a healthy calf. Reproductive efficiency. Select for regular calving intervals, calving once a year, and early maturity. Maternal ability. Milking ability. Importance of feeding weight indicated by a well-developed, soft, and flexible breeder. Femininity and conformation. Females should appear feminine and with a graceful angular look, having a smooth neck and moderate muscles. Adaptability to environment. Choosing animals already adapted to local conditions with tolerance in tropical areas. Ensure high performance. Production records. Reviewing winning weights of Andam's previous calves and her ability to regain weight quickly after lactation.
The first breed is Angus. Origin is Angus cattle originated in the countries of Aberdeen and Angus in northeastern Scotland, and were later introduced to various countries around the world, including the United States, Australia, and New Zealand, where they have been widely bred and raised. Appearance, they are typically black or red in color, naturally polled without horns, and have a compact, muscular build with a deep chest and strong legs. Performance, growth and development. Angus cattle have a good growth rate and can reach market weight relatively quickly. Fertility and reproduction. Angus cows are known for their high fertility rates, good maternal instincts, and ease of calving. Adaptability. They are adaptable to different climatic conditions and management systems. They can thrive in both pasture based on and peatland production system. Average daily gain. The average daily gain of Angus cattle is generally between 1.5 and 2.5 kilograms per day. However, the actual average daily gain may vary depending on factors such as genetics, nutrition, environment, and management. The second one is beef master. Origin developed in the early 1930s by Tom Lassater in South Texas, USA. Through crossbreeding, Hereford, Short-Dorn, and Brahman cattle with that genetic composition. Approximately 50% Brahman, 25% Hereford, and 25% Short-Dorn. Appearance, they have a strong and muscular build with a shoulder height of about 4.5 to 5 feet. Bulls weigh 2,000 to 2,500 pounds, and cows weigh 1,200 to 1,600 pounds. Performance, growth and development, they have a fast growth rate and high feed conversion efficiency. fertility and reproduction, they reach sexual maturity early, have high conception rates, easy calving, and good mothering ability. Adaptability and resistance, they have strong adaptability and can thrive in various climatic conditions, including hot, humid, and arid areas. Beef master, the average daily gain of beef master cattle is generally 1.8 and 2.8 pounds kilogram per day. They are known for their efficient feed conversion and ability to gain meat quickly.
Belgian Blue, originating in Belgium. This breed is known for its double masting characteristics caused by genetic mutation that inhibits myostatin, resulting in significantly increased muscle mass and lower fat. They are large, heavily muscled animals with a straight back and refined skin. Colors range from white, blue, brown, to black. They are considered docile but are often bred using cesarean sections due to the extreme muscle of the dogs. They are highly efficient converters of feed into lean muscle. We have the mature weight in the bulls approximately 1,100 to 1,250 kilograms. Cows approximately 700 to 90 kilograms. Key traits: excellent feed efficiency, high selling carcasses, up to 80% yield, and popular as a terminal sire to improve muscle performance and economical important traits. Belgian Blue. We have the masting carcass, known for double masting due to the myostatin gene mutation. They offer exceptional slaughter yields of 70% to over 80%. The meat quality produces extremely lean meat with 2 to 3 times less fat than other breeds and high tenderness. Healthy management, intensive, requires highly quality feed for maximum growth. Weaknesses, high incidence of dystocia, calving, cesarean sections. Dystocia in purebreds, up to 90%. Often necessitating cesarean sections, poor tolerance for extreme heat and humidity. Growth, very high growth rates, big bulls, capable of reaching 600 to 50 kilograms in 8 to 9 months under intensive feeding. We have the average daily gain. Show very high average daily gain of exceeding 1.2 to 1.6 kilograms per day in quantitative gut settings from 7 to 13 months.
Wait lang.
We have the Belted Galway. Originating from Scotland, this heritage breed is known for its distinctive white belt around the middle, shaggy coat, and ability to thrive on poor pasture. Belties are medium-sized, cold cattle designed for cold, wet climates. They have a double coat of hair, a long shaggy outer layer, and soft undercoat, which allows them to stay warm without developing excessive subcutaneous fat, resulting in lean meat. Mature weight: bulls 750 to 1,000 kilograms, with some special breeders reporting 1,800 to 2,000 pounds. Cows 400 to 600 kilograms, or 900 to 1,300 pounds. The key traits: extremely hardy, exceptional mothers, and efficient raisers. Their meat is highly regarded for being very low in fat, around 2%, yet tender and flavorful. Belted Galloway, hardiness, adaptability, thrives on poor to medium quality rough grazing conditions where other breeds fail. Calving reproduction, excellent calving feast, low dystocia, making them ideal for commercial crossbreeding to reduce calving issues. Meat quality, produce high quality meat, beef that is often marketed as grass beef or organic. Efficiency, highly efficient foragers requiring roughly 25% less concentrate food than other beef breeds. Growth slower than modern continental breeds but consistent with extensive low input system.
French. The cat is one of India's oldest and most prominent breed or West Indicus cattle breeds, originating from the arid and semi-arid regions of Gujarat, specifically the Rann of Kutch, and adjoining Rajasthan. It is a renowned dual-purpose breed, highly valued for both its powerful drafts capabilities and moderate milk production. The breed is known for its extreme hardiness and heat tolerance, with males frequently used in agricultural work and as breeding stock for other breeds, including the American Bulldog. Description and physical characteristics. Appearance. Sun-fresh cattle have a large, massive frame with long barrels, deep chest, and strong, well-developed legs. Horns. They have distinctive, large, lyre-shaped horns that are typically thick and shorter in bulls, often covered with skin part layout. Coat color. The color changes with age and ranges from silvery gray, iron gray to steel black, with bulls generally being darker, especially on the forequarters. Unique gait, known for a special, quick and smooth walking gait known as sawai chal, allowing them to cover long distances without fatigue. Ears and dewlap. They have long, pendulous, open, half-moon-shaped ears and a well-developed dewlap. Hooves. They possess small, hard, durable hooves which make them ideal for uneven or rocky terrain. Size. Mature bulls average 540 to 730 kilograms, and cows average 400 to 450 kilograms. Performance and utility. Durability, known as one of the best drug breeds in India, they are strong, fast, and agile, commonly used for plowing, threshing, and hauling heavy loads, sometimes up to 1,800 kilograms on good roads. Milk production. Average lactation yield generally ranges from 1,200 to 1,800 kilograms with a daily average of 3 to 6 liters. High yielders. Selected, well-managed animals can produce up to 4,200 to 4,900 kilograms in 300 days. Milk quality. High fat content, 4.5% to 5.2%, and high protein, A2 milk suitable for dairy products like ghee. Production and health. Hardiness. High resistant to heat, fever, and tolerant of diseases like foot and mouth disease. Calving. First calving typically occurs over around 41 to 42 months. Adaptation. Highly adapted to arid and drought-prone conditions. Indo-Brazil, sometimes called Indo-Brazilians or historical Indo-Baraba. Descriptions and traits. Appearance. Known for having very large, fluffy, and pendulous ears, perhaps the largest among all cattle breeds, along with a prominent muscular hump. Color. Typically white, gray, or red. Size. They are large, tall breed. Mature bulls can reach 900 to 1,200 kilograms and stand over 161 centimeter tall, while cows weigh 750 to 900 kg. Skin adaptability. Thick, loose skin helps them resist typically diseases, parasites, and heat. Temperament. Known for being docile and easier to manage compared to other Zimbo breeds. Performance and production. Growth rate. Known for rapid growth, often faster than Brahman, allowing them to reach market weight quickly. Adaptability. They are efficient foragers, capable of traveling long distances for food and water in harsh conditions. Milk production. They exhibit above average milk production for a Zebu beef breed, which contributes to high calf weaning weights. Meat quality. Produce high quality, flavorful meat with good marbling, making them attractive for both local and export markets. Performance. They are highly resistant to pests and can be grazed are used in feedlot operations. Simmental. Simmental is one of the oldest and most widely distributed dual-purpose cattle breeds globally, originating from the Simi Valley in Bernese Oberland and Switzerland. They are known for their high growth rate, good meat quality, and dual-purpose capability, making them suitable for intensive production systems in terms of physical features, and Simmental cattle are large frame and robust. Bulls typically weigh between 1,000 to 1,300 kilograms, while cows range from 550 to 800 kilograms. They are easily recognized by their signature white face and pink nose, with coat colors varying from light to deep red or golden tones, often accompanied by white patches. They are also solid colored and naturally hornless strain available. In this appearance, the breed is known for its docile temperament and strong maternal instincts, which make them easier to manage in farming settings. Performance, average daily gain. The average daily gain of Simmental cattle can vary depending on factors such as age, diet, and management. Generally, they can gain between 1.2 to 1.8 kilograms per day during the growing and finishing stages. Nellore. Nellore, also known as Neloro or Vikramasinghe, is a city located on the banks of the Penna River in Andhra Pradesh, India. Mature Nellore typically exhibit a large and muscular build with weight generally ranging from 800 to 1,000 kilograms. On the other hand, mature are moderately sized but still possess significant weight, usually falling between 500 to 800 kilograms. Despite being lighter than bulls, this weight range ensures that cows maintain good body condition, which is vital for reproductive efficiency, milk production, and overall longevity in the herd. Performance, average daily gain. The average daily gain of Nellore cattle is typically lower than the Simmental cattle, but it can still be impressive. Under good management and feeding conditions, they can gain between 0.8 to 1.2 kilograms per day.
Hereford, white face. Dark red and red-yellow body with a distinct white face. Tulip and underline, they are medium to large, muscular and docile. Performance, day to day. Typical median growth rate is 1.12 kg a day and post-milling is 1.31 kg a day. Weight, mature males up to 820 to 1,147 kilograms. Female, 500 to 800 kilograms. Weight, high fertility, longevity, and superior foraging ability in a diverse climate. Limousine. Traditionally golden red or black, now for extreme muscling, structural soundness, and as a terminal sire breed. Performance, daily breed. Performance tests often require a threshold of kilo a day. They tend to grow more rapidly than Hereford calves during the finishing phase. Now for high carcass yield and main meat traits. Now for easy of calving, high yield of high quality meat and adaptability. Normandy, a medium frame dual purpose breed originating from Normandy, France. They are white with chestnut or dark brown
patches, and spots. Often with spectacles, colored patches around the eyes. They are hardly adaptable to high altitudes and have sound feet and legs. Performance. Excellent dual purpose, producing high fat, high protein milk, ideal for kids. 14,000 to 30,000 lbs per lactation, depending on system. They have superior carcass yield, strong marbling, and high meat quality. They are known for high fertility, qualities, and longevity. Average daily gain. Norman Red Bulls have shown high growth rates in tests, with records reaching up to 4.93 lab day and consistent performance in high rollage system. Old Hereford. A beef breed naturally hornless due to an autosomal dominant gen. They are red yellow to dark red with a white face. Crest, dewlap, and underline known for docile temperament, foraging ability, and longevity. Performance. Okay. Performance. Efficient converters or rollage to be suited for grazing system. They have early maturity and high carcass quality. The breed is widely used for crossbreeding to improve efficiency with crossbred cows showing increased longevity and breeding weight. Average daily gain. Performance trials show both Herefords with an average daily gain of approximately 3.47 lab day to 3.66 lab day in feedlot settings.
Next is Wagyu. The word Wagyu refers to all Japanese beef cattle. Wa means Japanese or Japanese style, and Wagyu means cattle. All Wagyu cattle originate from early 20th century crossbreeding between native Japanese cattle and imported stock, mostly from Europe. Wagyu beef is among the most expensive meats in the world. It features marbling, meaning that streaks of fat exist within the red meat that make it tender and moist while adding flavor. Wagyu beef is often known by different names depending on its place of origin. In several Japanese prefectures, Wagyu beef is shipped with an area name. Examples include Matsusaka beef, Kobe beef from the Tajima cattle, Yonezawa beef, and Omi beef. In recent years, Wagyu beef has increased in fat percentage due to a decrease in grazing and an increase in the use of feed, resulting in larger, fattier cattle. Wagyu generally exhibits lower average daily compared to conventional European beef breeds. Trials indicate ADG often ranges from 0.76 to 0.98 kg a day, 760 grams to 900 grams, 980 grams. Depending on feed quality, with slow growing groups sometimes showing 630 grams per day. Mature Wagyu cattle are medium sized, with mature cows typically weighing 450 to 650 kilograms or 1,000 to 1,400 lbs. Next is Piedmontese. The Piedmontese is a breed of domestic cattle that is originated in the region of Piedmont. In northwest Italy, the calves are warm fawn colored and turn gray-white as they mature. Piedmontese cattle carry a unique gene mutation, also present in Belgian bull, identified as an inactive myostatin allele that causes hypertrophic muscle growth or double muscle. Purebred Piedmontese cattle are homozygous, meaning they have two identical alleles present for this unique gene. They have garnered attention from breeders of beef cattle in other parts of the world, including North and South America. Piedmont is known for high feed efficiency. Some studies have premium Piedmontese bulls reaching 1.2 to 1.5 kilograms a day, with maximum potential exceeding 2 kilograms per day or 4.44 lbs. In optimized feedlot trials, mature Piedmontese cattle are considered a medium-sized breed, ranging from 520 to 600 kilograms or 1,150 to 1,320 lbs.
Caroline. It is originated in Carroll, France, with the appearance of white to creamy white coat, deep-bodied, broad-chested, and heavily muscled with a shorter neck and black ear fur. With the average daily gain typically ranges from 1.5 to 1.8 kilograms per day, or roughly 3.3 to 4.0 pounds per day. With the mature weight, bulls weigh from 1,000 to 1,250 kilograms, and cow is 750 to 900 kilograms. Adaptability. While they perform best in temperate climates, they show moderate to high adaptability to a warmer region when crossed with tropical breeds. Temperament. Generally docile, which reduces stress and improves weight gain. Dressing percentage. They possess a high muscle to bone ratio. A Caroline often achieves a dressing percentage of 60 to 65%, meaning more of the live animal's weight ends up as honey hormones. Feed conversion efficiency. They are biologically efficient at converting high energy rations into muscle tissue rather than fat cover, which is a major economic driver in commercial finishing operations. Cayenne. The Cayenne originates from Valticayana or Cayana Valley and central Italy. Spanning the regions of Tuscany and Umbria, it has been raised in this area for over 2,000 years and was famously praised by the Romans for its white coat and power, with the appearance of distinctive porcelain white hair. Calves are born a light tan or fawn color and turn white at around 3 to 4 months of age. Despite the white hair, they have black pigmentation on the muzzle, hooves, speech, and around the eyes. They are exceptionally tall with long legs and straight top lines. They possess a short, slim coat suitable for warmer climates. Average daily weight. Under ideal feedlot conditions, bulls can achieve an and many external parasites like carcass quality. Unlike pure Brahmans, Brahmus cattle produce with better marbling and tenderness inherited from the Angus. They are highly valued in the meat processing industry. Maternal excellence. Brahmus cows are known for early puberty and high fertility. They have excellent milking ability and remain productive even when forage quality is mediocre. Food or no harm. Brahmus cattle are naturally food, which is dominant trait from the Angus food. This makes them easier and easier to handle on farm. Average daily gain. Forage pasture only on the native tropical grass, they are typically maintain a steady gain of 0.40 to 0.55 kilogram or 0.9 to 1.2 pounds per day, even in high temperatures where other fish might lose
Santa Gertrudis performance. Developed at King Ranch in Texas, this breed is designed for subtropical and tropical climates. Average daily gain ranges from 1.6 to 2.0 kilogram, 3.5 to 0.4 pounds. In feedlots, often exceeding 1.5 kilogram with some reports of 1 to 1.5 kilogram on grass and over 2 kilogram on grain. Economically important traits: adaptability, superior heat tolerance, and thick bloat resistance due to Bos-Indicus influence. Maternal ability, above average milk production and strong mothering instincts leading to higher weaning weights. Longevity. Cows often produce calves until 12 to 18 years of age. Carcass. High slaughter percentage up to 60 to 65% and good carcass weight per day of age. Feed conversion. Very efficient with some bulls gaining 1 kilogram on less than 6 kilograms of feed. Shorthorn or Durham. A foundational British breed known for its early maturity, docility, and dual-purpose history. The average daily gain of Shorthorn highly competitive with high compliance rates for premium markets. They show excellent growth rates, though slightly less heat tolerant than Santa Gertrudis. Carcass quality. Renowned for tenderness, high marbling, and consistency, meeting premium MSA or EU market specification. Feed efficiency. Excellent converters with feed conversion rates of 5.2 per 1 to 5.8 to 1 recorded in US studies. Maternal ability. Known for early maturity, often breeding at 12 to 15 months, and calving ease. Docility. Excellent temperament